Hello, my name is Waleed. I'm from Palestine. I'm here visiting Pakistan. It's a beautiful country. The nature, the history, the food. It's been such an amazing trip so far. The food has been amazing. Just learning about the history of Pakistan for the last 3,000 or 4,000 years has been amazing. Visiting Gandhara, Taxila, visiting Lahore and seeing the beautiful Mughal architecture and Sikh architecture. It's so beautiful. It also shows you the diversity of Pakistan. Muslim, Hindu, Christian, Sikh, everyone living together, and being Palestinian, noticing how Pakistanis are in such solidarity with us as Palestinians and what's going on with the genocide in Gaza. Happy Independence Day, Pakistan, and we wish that Pakistan is around for another 1,000 years.